Okay, Happy New Year, everybody. Today is January 3rd, 2014. Let me do a brief video on Groupon. I just want to do this video to kind of highlight some of the steps that I take to identify potential trade possibilities. And basically, I kind of saw Groupon while scanning through the chart after the market closed today. And I noticed this one seems to have some interesting price pattern here. First of all, if you take a look at this closely, it is actually forming a sort of a cup and handle pattern here. If you could see, right here is your your cup, and here's the handle. And this is the weekly chart that I have up here, and this is the pivot point. So it's somewhere around the 1276 level here. And you can see that if I also do a little bit of a projected move using my Fibonacci tool, and if I do this, to kind of get a little bit of a approximate of where it might go, it seems like that it will be get up here to this, 29, I mean 2290, 23, anywhere between that 2275 to 23, 2290, because it's not exact right now on the price point here, but you kind of get the idea. So right now, if I let me go and put a line here, so we kind of get some idea of where that might be. And if I switch over to the daily chart, you can see that this is the level that we're talking about on the major move, and here's this cup and handle pattern that we just went and looked at on a weekly chart. And then if I zoom in over here, you can see that here's the pivot level, this 1276 level here. But if I zoom in at this level here, yeah, oops, let me go and zoom that in. And you can see that, again, here you got a little bit of a sort of like a cup and handle, but the key thing is you could also have another baseline here on the breakout that you could play. So it's all depend how aggressive you are. Essentially, this is the pivot point that we want to play on this cup and handle, which is around 1276 for the breakout. Okay, and if I switch that over to the intraday chart on a 30-minute chart here, see that breakout point here, which is now is a little bit of a 1219. This is the level 1219 on that. Remember we had that 1276 for that big cup and handle. Right now we're basically looking at a little bit of a different pattern on the intraday. So it's all depends on how aggressive you are. And you can see that some of these, on this trend line here, you'll also see some of the support level, right? And so you can use any of these support level as your potential stop loss level on when you set up the trade, and it's all depend how aggressive you are and what is your risk tolerance. So essentially, those some of the steps that I take to go and identify potential trade level and stop level and some sort of a price target. Hopefully, that kind of give you a little idea on how to look at chart pattern and chart level for resistance and support. So have a good week.